There's backlash to the planned national rewrite of leaked matric papers. The South African Democratic Teachers Union, or SADTU, has labelled the decision to rewrite irrational, and it plans to file court papers to challenge the rewrite. For reaction to this, Elijah Mhlanga, spokesperson for the Education Department, joins me now. Thank you very much for your time. We do appreciate getting reaction from the department. So we spoke to Mogoena Maluleka from SADTU earlier this morning. He said that rewrite is completely illogical when less than 200 learners out of the 400,000 who would have to take part in rewrites were exposed to those leaked papers. What's your response to that?
Well, it will be interesting to see what they say in the court papers. We will wait for that. For now, we can confirm that the investigation is still ongoing and the true extent of the spread remains unknown, which is a risk to the department, especially insofar as the administration of the examination is concerned. So a legal action was bound to happen either way. If you say selective rewriting, the group that were going to be targeted for that rewriting were always going to say, why are you excluding others? How do you know that other people did not have access to the question paper? And when you say a national rewrite, someone chooses to challenge you. So it's a situation that we're planned for. Our legal team has considered all possibilities in terms of what the response from the department is going to be once the court documents are received from the applicants.
So SADTU making its decision to file court papers on a report it has received, obviously you saying that that investigation is still ongoing. Those two facts seem to contradict each other. How can SADTU have a report when that investigation has not yet been concluded? And can you give us an update on the progress of that investigation?
No, it's not a contradiction at all. The Council of Education Ministers received a preliminary report into the investigation. That's why they get. That's where they get the information from about how many learners might have access to it. So the preliminary report was received, and the decision was taken on that basis to say that it will take us a long time, and it will need a lot of resources for us to get to the bottom of this matter in terms of where the source is, or who the source is, and how many learners had access to the paper before it was written, and for how long, and if there was any benefit. But what remains clear at the moment is that no one knows, the department doesn't know, even the Hawks who are assisting us with the investigation, they are saying that it will take us a very long time to determine exactly how many people access the paper. But what is clear is that the paper had leaked, and as a result of that leak, the credibility of the examination is in jeopardy, and the department needed to take steps to correct that. And after many meetings, deliberations, legal considerations, and educational considerations, it was felt that the best thing to do is to request for a national review.
We've got to remember that at the end of the day, the learners are at the heart of this matter. They are the focus. They are the ones, unfortunately, bearing the brunt of these decisions. Obviously, one wants the credibility of their national senior certificate to be upheld, but those learners are under a lot of pressure. What's your message to them as they prepare for what will inevitably likely be a rewrite amidst what is an ongoing investigation and court proceedings?
No, you are correct. If you watched the minister speak on Friday, she did indicate her disappointment as well that learners were going to be put under a lot of pressure after having gone through a very difficult year already. And we feel sympathetic as well to them for the stress that they're going through. It's not a decision that we wanted to take. In fact, even within the sector, it was not something that came easy, but we needed to look at the entire situation and say, how do we protect the image of the examination? So we feel for them. We have already spoken to partners in the sector who will be available to provide counseling, but we also appeal to families to provide support as well. We continue to get a lot of message from families who are indicating that their matriculants and their children are stressed and they're not taking this well. We fully understand that, and the department has put in place measures that are going to provide support to those that need counseling. But we hope that at the end of the day, South Africans will understand that it's a difficult situation for us as well. It's completely unprecedented. So it's not something that we are repeating because we can. It's something that we've been forced to do to try to continue protecting the credibility, integrity, and the image of the matric certificate, because at the end of the day, everyone needs it to go forward in life. And we did not want the class of 2020 to go forward with a cloud hanging over their heads that they had an exam whose papers had been leaked and that there could be suspicions around the performance which that they are showing in their matric results. So we have been forced to take this decision. It's been uncomfortable, it's been very painful, but we hope that everyone will cooperate with us.
Well, thank you very much for your reaction there. Elijah Mhlanga, spokesperson for the Education Department, speaking to us there.